so bad. It's like putting somebody's
butt.
It's like sniffing a butt. What's up, party people? Kirk and Stephanie back, party of two, and we're keeping it, keeping the Halloween theme going. Today, we're going to do a gross food eating challenge. But before I get into the details of that, I need to give a couple shout outs. The first one would be some guy named Robb. This guy is an awesome artist, puts out great music, and I just love listening to him. He's out of Arkansas, and you guys really need to check him out. One of his latest songs is The Big Bad Wolf. Really good for the Halloween theme. I'm going to leave a link to his YouTube channel and to that particular song in the description, so check it out. And other shout out to our main sponsor, Rampy's Pub. Greatest place on earth where your wildest dreams come true. Rampy's Pub. Okay, let's get into this. So the gross eating challenge, we are going to have, we got some crickets here. Different flavors of crickets.
Wait. They're all different, so I have to do one of each?
We got sour cream and onion, bacon and cheese, salt and vinegar, and then we got larvettes. And in larvettes we got barbecue, Mexican spice, and cheddar cheese. I got a feeling these are all going to be pretty good. And then the next thing we have, I don't know if you've ever heard of this durian fruit. We have durian fruit candy because you can't get the actual fruit. It's huge. But this stuff, this durian fruit is supposed to smell really bad. So we're going to try it out. It's supposed to smell really bad. Some people really hate the taste. Some people like the taste. We're going to find out.
I'm sorry. I apologize up front. I'm not looking forward to this one.
We have a vomit bucket right here, just in case. And then the last thing we're going to try is, we can't read this, but it's shrimp paste. And I have a feeling this is going to be the worst. So we're going to try each of these bugs first. Then we're going to go to the durian candy, and we're going to put 5 of them in our mouth at once. So we'll get 5 open, put them in our hand, we'll smell them, let them know how they smell, and then we're going to put them in our mouth, hold them in there for a while, see how they taste.
A while won't be very long.
And then we'll finish it off with the shrimp paste. So, here we go. Party of 2, gross eating challenge. Which one do you want to try first?
You
crickets?
pick, because I can't.
You want salt and bitter crickets?
I don't want any of them.
Okay.
I might quit.
Salt and vinegar crickets. Oh, here we go.
I can do this.
Smell?
I can do this. I can do this. I can do
Want
this.
to smell?
No.
Don't smell bad. Give you a big juicy one.
No, I want a small one.
Ready?
Dude, no, I don't know that I can do this.
Huh?
I don't.
You can do it.
I don't.
It's a cricket.
I really don't know that I can do this. I don't.
We got a lot to do here, so we got to get rolling.
I can't. Oh. Dude, I don't think I can do it. I'm not thinking it yet.
Ready?
No.
1, 2, 3, go. Ain't bad. Pretty good. Another one?
No.
Okay, we're gonna go to bacon and cheese cricket.
I might have to get a glass of water.
Bacon and cheese coming up. Bacon and cheese, everything bacon tastes good. Here, this one's got legs.
I don't want one with legs. Please take the legs off.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, I can't with legs. The legs gotta go. The legs are freaking me out. I can't. I don't know.
We're eating the legs.
Does yours have legs?
Yeah.
Let me see. Yours is little. Seriously. I can't pick it up with the legs.
Yes, you can.
No, find me one without legs. I can't do the legs.
They all have legs.
No, they don't. The last one didn't have legs. Please, I can't do the legs.
You gotta do the legs.
I cannot pick up an
Yes, you can. I'll pick it up for you. Here.
I really do not like this.
Bacon and cheddar. It's good for you. It's good for you.
Oh my gosh. I can't do this.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go.
I can't. No. No more crickets for...
We got one more cricket. We got one more cricket to do.
I can't do it. It's gross. Mm-mm.
You can do anything you set your mind to. And it really isn't gross. It tastes like popcorn. Okay, we gotta keep this rolling here.
I can't do the legs. Oh, Kirk, I can't do this. I am gonna legit get sick if I.
This one doesn't have any legs. Lucked out on that one. That's just the body. These are all. There we go. Had to get a good one there. Had like crumbs. Okay. Ready?
No.
Only doing one cricket at a time.
They're gross.
1, 2, 3, go. What was that one?
I don't know. Onion.
Oh. Sour cream and onion?
I guess. Tastes like dirt.
Sour cream and onion didn't really have much flavor to it. Larvettes. This is cheddar cheese larvette. Stuck in my throat.
How about we get them all out at the same time and just go back to back to back?
I
so
need to
I
know
can
which
get it
ones.
overworked.
Need to know which ones are eating. This. There you go. This is, what I say, cheddar cheese? Cheddar. Ready?
No.
1, 2, 3. Really nothing to it.
No. But still, it's gross.
Mexican spice. Wash that one down.
I'm gonna have to get a refill. Why did you have to come up with this idea?
Well, it's Halloween time. I figure eating bugs and gross stuff is what you do on Halloween.
Oh, I eat candy.
Here's more bugs. Barbecue. Barbecue larva is good Halloween food. 1, 2, 3, go.
No, none.
Just not much taste. Now we're gonna do. Wait a minute, that wasn't barbecue. That was Mexican spice. There was no flavor. Now we're gonna do barbecue.
I don't know why I let you talk me into these.
Want to do a handful?
No! Thank you. Don't make me.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Barbecue! You're eating bugs. Worms.
Shut up!
Larva.
You're gonna make me gag.
Okay, now we're gonna move on to the durian candy because that stuff was pretty easy. I hope this is a little bit more challenging.
The legs were gross me out. No, just well.
It smells really bad. It smells like
But
it smells like butt. It smells so bad.
how about we compromise and do 3?
How about we just do 5? Spitting these out.
Are they sour and nasty?
I have no idea.
Oh my lord. Oh, stop!
These smell so bad. Oh. Ugh.
Oh, they just look great too. Oh. B.O., feet, butt, all of it combined.
They don't smell, they smell bad.
They better not hit your head if we go out to spit at the same time. Because I don't want the dogs to get it. Yes, I'm holding my nose.
You can't hold your nose, that's no fun.
It's no fun for them to listen to me
No
talk.
fun.
It's no fun. I can't get this open. Oh my gosh.
It's not fun.
And it's mixed in with the smell of the candles.
I still have like a piece of
I do too.
cricket or something in my tongue.
I will knock you out of the way to spit this out.
So bad. It's like putting somebody's
Butt.
like sniffing a butt. Okay, are you ready? All 5 of them. You gotta hold it in your mouth for a while.
I'm gonna spit it out when I want to spit it out.
1, 2, 3, go. Here she goes. Oh, it's so bad. Oh. 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 She took the paper towels with her.
I had to.
Sorry. Guess I have to use my sleeve. Hey, we got one more thing to do.
I can't.
We're not done yet. Yeah, this was a good idea for Halloween. Ooh, man, I gotta get that taste out of my mouth. One probably would have been enough, but a little extra is always better. Man, it's not going away.
That is the most disgusting thing I've ever tasted. I don't know that I can do that. Sorry.
Well, at least you won't have anything to.
Pretty sure I'm not eating dinner.
Why not?
No, it's cricket leg.
Here we go. Shrimp paste. Gonna have to admit, I'm not really looking forward to this one at all. Oh, yeah, that's it. Can't smell it yet. That was really bad.
I didn't taste it for a while, and then it just hit me. And it's disgusting. Who in their right mind likes to eat that? I don't know where it comes from, but that's gross.
Thailand or something like that. I don't know. I can't get this.
You have your knife?
Open. Okay, here goes.
Oh. Oh no. I don't even want to smell it. Is it wet or is it dry?
It's paste.
I am not doing a whole spoonful. That's worse than that.
Oh, what's it smell like?
I don't know.
Give a description.
I've never smelled anything like it. How?
Try it again and give it a description.
There's nothing I've smelled like it. I don't know how you take a big, whole, deep breath, because that is disgusting.
Oh, it smells really bad. It smells worse than the durian fruit. Oh, it's shrimp paste. Did they read that?
Why am I doing this?
How much you want to do?
Not like it, itty bitty.
Here you go. My stomach's upset right now, for sure.
I don't think I can swallow it.
I got more than you.
Yeah, you did. I don't know that I can swallow it. I'll put it in my mouth and I'm spitting it out.
Well, don't say that until you try.
Oh dear.
Until you try it, you might like it.
There is no way in the world I'm gonna like this. Oh.
Oh. Are you ready?
No. I'm not doing it until you do it because I've gotten...
1, 2, 3.
Oh no, I can't.
We're gonna do it. There you go, I got it out. Oh, man.
You're sleeping on the couch tonight. Oh, and now the whole thing smells.
It smells so bad in here right now. Oh.
This is going in the garbage.
Ugh. Oh. Oh. Here. You take a bag.
No.
You take a bag of crickets, I'll take a bag. Which one?
Uh-uh.
Or do the whole bag?
You know, I've already puked and gagged.
Come on.
Oh, you can.
You want?
Oh.
So you like salt and vinegar? Here, you can do this one. It'll get the taste out of your mouth. I'll do this one.
Why are you torturing
Bacon
me?
and cheese, and we just bottomed up.
What do I get? What are you going to give me if I do it?
don't have to give you anything. They're going to give you likes and shares and subscribes, and you're bringing them good, wholesome entertainment.
Wholesome? I don't think I can do this. You know I'm going to spit this out as soon as it gets in my...
Nope, gotta eat it. Eat
nope. No guarantees that that's not coming out in there. Or I will not do it.
Ready? This is for the grand finale. Just crickets.
You win.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I don't know how. Oh, I can't. I can't. It's
You'll
the
be
legs.
happy you did.
It's the legs. Oh, I can't.
I am
I can't. I seriously don't think I can.
Oh, yeah, you can. Come on.
As soon as I feel a leg.
Channel your inner witch.
As soon as I feel the leg in my mouth, it's going to be coming back up.
You shouldn't feel it. You should just chew it. Hi, Emma. Keep going. Keep going. You got it. Chew, 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 chew.
They're so salty.
Swallow it.
No. It's so salty.
Good for you. It's bugs.
Stop. I'm done. No more.
Oh. Well, there you have it. Another Halloween themed Halloween edition.
Sorry, there goes Emma.
Halloween edition video. But
That was gross.
it was pretty gross. The bugs honestly were easy. The durian fruit is horrible. I can't wait to give that to some of my friends, especially Rampy's Pub.
They're not going to take it now. Actually, they better.
Rampy's Pub will do it. But I'm going to throw this in the refrigerator so Rampy's Pub can do that too. Please like, share, and subscribe so it makes us doing all this stuff worthwhile. Click the bell icon so you get notified when we post new videos. And we're building.
Yep.
Each week we get a few more subscribers, more watch hours, and that helps us to the ultimate goal, you know. So if you're seeing this and you're watching it on Facebook, whatever, like it and share it and subscribe on YouTube. That's what helps us. Until then, happy Halloween.
Peace out.
Peace out.